Hello class, this is Michael Bain. This is my Java 2 week 3 walkthrough video. This week we had to create an app that contained a list, a view, like a detail view, and an add view where the user can add data to the app. And the views had to be created by fragments. Here I have my 3 fragments and activities, and up here I have my classes. I shall start with my app. Here the user can go to the add screen. So you want to add a compressor. It's a FET compressor. And you save it, and it populates the list. You can add another one. You can add another compressor. I don't know why it's so slow, but free to the solid state. You can add that. Now, if you want, you can go and look at the details of one of the items in the list. And if you want to delete it, and you can see that it updated the list to show the deleted object. You can, if you want to just view the compressors that are in the list right now, you can go to compressors and view them. Right now, my app is saving to a file on the emulator, and I'm using this save add friends. This basically saves it to a file. I'm having trouble figuring out where I should put this method that reads it from the file, and it's all being saved into an array list. But I'm having trouble. It's saving it to the file. I can see when I go to my device monitor, but reading it from the file to where it updates the file is still a problem. It's because it's not right now. It's updating from, like when I delete, it's updating from the array list, but not the actual file. Because when I look at the file, it's not changing at all. It's just adding more objects. So here's a look at my code. Well, that's one thing I had to work on, was getting it to save to the file, well, read from the file, and I still have an intent I have to do to where the intent is can be passed to a different app on the device. And also I had to, as far as saving the state with a bundle, I have to work on that also. But this is what I have so far with my app, and here's some of my code. Here's my main activity. Here I have on-click listeners that go to different views. Here's my, I guess I'll start with the add. And what I do, I try to use, I'm still trying to wrap my mind around the idea of using results, and I tried to use it, pass the results with a string. I couldn't get it to work like I wanted to, so I'm doing it a different way here. Here's where I have a holder fragment that holds the fragment inside the activity. I declare my edit text here, and on click is where I call a method to get the compressors, and I save it to the array list, and then I save it. The array list gets saved to the file when I call this method. That's from my my class here. Then I put in an intent, and that gets passed to my list view. And in my list view, I have a method show compressor which loops through all the items in the arrays and pulls the name, just the name from the array, and displays it in the list view. But it still has all the data from the object, but it just doesn't display it. And when I click on one of the objects in the list view, I use intent to put extra, and I send that using the activity for result, and that gets sent to the detail view here. Detail view here, and I can delete from here. It sends, sets the result. Same for the add click, like where I can add an item from the detail view. Will basically, it will just go back to the add screen. And more about the detail view. Once it's created, it creates these buttons. This is my method that shows the compressors in the detail view. Yeah, that's about it for my app. That's how far I've gotten. I still have some work to do, but yeah, thanks for watching. Michael Bain, Java 2.